So I read about you early in your career. You lost $10,000 that were given to you by your father. And you also mentioned once that Bajaj Finance is something that you missed out on an opportunity. तो ये जब $10,000 आपको दिए थे, आपने वो कौन से स्टॉक्स में डाले थे अगर आपको याद होगे तो, और कैसे लूज किया था? क्या एग्जैक्टली गलती क्या की थी आपने वो फेज पे?
गलती तो बहुत इजी थी. इट्स अ वेरी हम्बलिंग एक्सपीरियंस. अमेरिका में बुल मार्केट चल रहा था, and in that process I lost $10,000, which is very hard to do, but I managed to do it. जो मिस्टेक मैंने की थी बहुत stock market 101 mistake थी. I was driving looking at the rear view mirror rather than the front view mirror. In the stock market, always look what's coming ahead, not what happened behind. तो मैंने क्या किया था, जो stocks जो 1970s में चले थे, the inflation stocks, oil, gold, precious metals, मैंने वो खरीद लिए थे. क्यों खरीदे? क्यों ऑलरेडी 50% घट चुके हैं. Without realizing that they could go down another 50% of the price I bought it at, which is exactly what happened. So I happened to lose all the money because I bet on the past, not on the future. But वो कहते हैं ना कि it's a very cheap mistake to have made, because I never made that mistake again. But there's a larger point I'd like to make, Kushalji. I think I've repeated the story many times. But there's a larger lesson that is from this story. When I came to Dalal Street, I was very pleasantly surprised in the group of friends I have that information and ideas were exchanged very freely with each other, right? And I've always heard in Wall Street, for example, you would say that if you want a friend on Wall Street, go get a toaster or go get a dog, because no one's going to help you in Wall Street. But here I found that the people reached out, helped you, we shared information correctly. So one day, जो मेरे बहुत काबिल दोस्त हैं, उनसे पूछा मैंने कि ऐसे कैसे होता है कि वॉल स्ट्रीट में तो इतने सुकून है, कोई एक दूसरे बताता नहीं है, proprietary secrets मांगते हैं. यहाँ you all share it so freely with each other, particularly if you're in that part of that group where you share ideas with each other. And he made a very important point to me. He said, Ramesh, there's a river flowing ahead of us. अगर तू 2 बाल्टी से उसमें निकाल दे या मैं 2 बाल्टी उसमें निकाल दूं, पानी कम नहीं होगा, पानी इतने का इतना होगा. So I realized that in the market is a good way to view the market. There's एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी अराउंड द कॉर्नर है, शायद वो मैंने मिस की, शायद उसमें पैसा भी लग गया, but I learned my lesson, and there's always more opportunities and more opportunities in the market. Market is, every day you wake up, there's another opportunity in the market to make money. So ultimately I realized that not to regret too much, but learn from my mistakes. That was more important.
मेरे डैड के साथ क्या हुआ था कि 1991 1992 में he was investing in stock markets and then all of a sudden he lost a lot of money in stocks. Okay,
Yeah.
from that day उनका mindset ऐसा हो गया है कि यार स्टॉक मार्केट में मुझे इन्वेस्ट ही नहीं करना है because I have lost a lot of money already. After you losing that $10,000, आप फिर भी स्टॉक मार्केट में करियर आपने कैसे बनाया? आपको ऐसे थॉट्स नहीं आए कि अभी this is something which is not meant for me at all?
Not really. I mean, I realized it was a very humbling experience, as you saw, to lose $10,000 being a fresh MBA is not any time fun out there. But that motivated me to study more, to realize the mistakes I'd made. And जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, जो गलती थी मैं जल्दी समझ गया, ये गलती की मैंने, गलती तो करते रहते हैं हम लोग शेयर बाजार में. The thing is not to repeat them too often, to make perhaps newer mistakes, but not older mistakes out there. So I think the ego got better of me, that I wanted to make back that money and then make a career in the stock market. So I think जो आदमी का ego है, that helped me in this matter.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.